Toastmasters and my dear friend, Nishok in particular. Who is an idiot? When somebody asks, look at the smiles of the people. Really, it's such a beautiful topic which you brought up. And also, there were so many practical examples that you brought into the script. Amazingly written script, which was so personalized. That is the speciality of Nishok. Whenever Nishok comes here, he gives that personal touch. Everybody gets hooked on to him. And especially what I liked in your delivery today, Nishok, the way you stood here, the way you did the body language and the body gestures, it looked like a Hollywood hero here, you know, with a well-trimmed dress and tall and handsome. And he's talking about some practical sense which appeals to every single person in this room. Especially when you talked about the cash flows and the capital gain, amazing concept which you brought into such simple language and so practical to each one of us. And then you had a very inspiring title which correlated to the entire script. The financial guide and especially when you talked about the investment in the car versus investment in the land, it is so practical. Every one of us are into the situation. So I think what is most important as a speaker when we come on the stage is to appeal to the audience, to be connected to the audience. That's the highlight of your speech, and that's the highlight of you as a speaker. You did that fantastically well. If I had to look at the guideline of P3 and try and map you, the specific and the general purpose, I did get a little bit of confusion in terms of what is the general purpose Nishok is trying to say and what is the specific. There were a lot of good specifics, but then you kept it generalized by giving the message saying that, okay, my cousin versus me. So you gave a general message, but however, normally when I try and see the script writing, when I do the mentoring, I try and see that, a flow which is in a way that you start and then you transit into the body wherein you say about a general purpose, how it has either affected you or you have observed it and things like that, and then a specific takeaway for the audience. Here it was a little bit of mix and match. Nevertheless, since it was so personal to people, I think it went really well. Well, apart from that, I really felt really happy because of two specific reasons. The cash flow and the capital gain. For me, it is very personal because I have not invested in a car, but I have invested in 2 properties. That makes me very happy. And when it comes to gold fund, I become even more happier because I feel my wife is a little dumb in terms of investment, but she follows the gold fund rule. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for making me personally proud about what I am doing at home. So wonderful speech, Nishok. I am so glad that we have you as a part of this club. Your presence here and the personal touch to the audience will take you far way ahead in Toastmasters.
Great evaluation. I think Shiv is definitely a role model how to deliver and give the evaluation. He has covered each and every point. I just want to add one more thing. Nishok, you have used the word of the day. None of the speakers have used the word of the day, which is definitely, please give a round of applause. Nishok, when you mentioned that you are giving Project 3, I was a little surprised because whenever you come on the stage, you are such a great speaker that I somehow thought like why you are giving Project 3. I thought you must have completed your CC. You are so good. And one thing is the learning for all of us that he used the hand gesture so powerful. One, not overall. Like when you use one at a time, it is more powerful than using both the hands. That is the one learning I had today. Overall, great evaluation. Thanks, Shiv, for the great evaluation. And definitely, Shiv, great speech. We look forward for more speeches from you.